The Saramonic Blink 500 Pro raises the bar on affordable 2.4 GHz ultra-compact wireless systems. What makes the Blink 500 Pro revolutionary? For starters, a dual-channel receiver with the ability to mix or split the audio from two different transmitters into separate channels with mono or stereo mode, giving you the ability to record two people on separate audio tracks when using cameras or recorders. It comes with an industry-first charging case with single-button pairing for all units while in the case, so your mics are at 100% even when you're on the go. Its up to 8-hour internal battery lasts longer than other mic systems in its class, so you can shoot all day on a single charge. And you can even charge the case or power the transmitter and receiver with portable power banks for increased runtime.
Let's see what you could do in those sneakers.
Can you keep up?
And their range is 100 meters line of sight for wider, more expansive shots without fear of dropouts.
Can you keep up?
Watch this.
And yes, we've included a headphone jack with independent volume control for audio monitoring with devices that don't have a headphone output. And the bright OLED displays allows you to see vital information no matter the lighting conditions. The Blink Pros are a whole new level. They not only sound remarkable, they are remarkable. Who needs the Blink 500 Pro? Well, anyone recording dialogue, from social media and YouTube creators to filmmakers and broadcasters. Two-person interviews, done. Record to two separate tracks. Walk and talk vlogs, we got you. The receiver is so light and compact, you'll be comfortable on gimbals large and small. Street interviews, easy. You can be mic'd up with the included lav and use a second transmitter with a built-in omnidirectional mic like it was a handheld mic, or quickly have your subject clip it to their shirt with no wires necessary. Or simply place near someone speaking. The transmitter's impressive sensitivity of -39 decibels ensures great sound.
How do you feel about this baby right here?
This is probably not my taste, but I'd probably give this one a solid 5.5.
5.5.
Yeah.
I'll give it a solid 2.
Meetings and presentations, simple. Whether you're connecting through your laptop, smartphone, or tablet, the Blink 500 Pros have a cable for you. Whether your endgame is social media, YouTube posts, or live streaming, this is the mic that is always with you, so those spur-of-the-moment stories have broadcast quality audio. A unique feature in the Blink 500 Pro TX is the mic line input setting, allowing you to connect it to virtually any audio source. Ideal for live streaming a podcast, religious service, or event. Plug the mixer into a TX transmitter and your audience is right there with you. The Blink transmitter's 3.5mm input provides plug-in power, so you can use more than just the included SRM1 lav. You can plug in a TRS mini shotgun microphone, headset microphone, or even your favorite lavalier. And the incredibly lightweight RX receiver easily slides into the shoe of a camera, can clip to its strap, or even clip it to a smartphone or tablet. The Blink 500 Pro Series is the most feature-packed, ultra-compact 2.4 GHz wireless system on the market today. It offers innovative features, performance, and flexibility that drastically sets it apart from the competition, while delivering crystal-clear professional sound. The Blink 500 Pro comes in 2 kits, single and dual transmitter kits. Each kit comes with everything you see here. Sound remarkable? You be the judge.
It must be the shoes.